안녕하세요. 은비 언니예요. Today we are going to learn 5 famous movie lines that are so popular and parodied a lot in daily conversation. There are tons of famous movie lines that are being used in daily conversation, but let's do 5 this time, and I'll try to make more videos on the others later. So, the first one.
네가 가라 하와이.
네가 가라 Hawaii. It means you go Hawaii, not me. This is super popular line from this movie called Friends. The lines that I'll be covering in this video is mostly from this movie, and it's an old movie. It's not super old, but this movie was so popular, so many lines from this movie were being parodied when the movie came out. But since it's an old movie, people are keep using these lines in their daily life, not recognizing they are doing the parody of this movie. Does it make sense? If you are really into learning about Korean culture and Korean language, I really do recommend you to watch this movie, Friends. I guess many of you guys already know this line is not standard Korean accent. It is Busan dialect. So accent and some words are a little different. So if you were to parody this line, you should follow their accent. Like, 네가 가라, 네가 가라, Hawaii. I'm actually really bad at dialect, but I'm just trying to copy it. 네가 가라, Hawaii. The background of this movie is located in Busan, so every character in this movie, they all use Busan dialect. So every line are not standard Korean from this movie. If I were to say this line in standard Korean, I would say 네가 가라 하와이, 네가 가라 하와이. Do you see the difference? 네가 가라 하와이. And here's the second one.
네 시험을 산뜻도 못 봤나? 어이? 와! 빨리 알아? 들어와! 다! 아버지 뭐 하시노? 말해라! 아버지 뭐 하시노?
너가 아버지 뭐 하시노? 너가 아버지 뭐 하시노? So as you can see from this movie clip, this guy, he actually is a teacher from this movie. His voice is in an angry tone because he was about to punish their bad students, and he was asking what their father is doing. 너그 아버지 뭐 하시노? 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 And third one also is from the same movie. 말 묻다 아이가 고마해라. So if you never heard Busan dialect, it probably sounds like totally different language. 말 묻다 아이가. 말 묻다 아이가. 말 묻다 아이가. To translate it a bit more smoothly, I would say I had stop, I had enough. So my 묻다 아이가. My means many. So standard form of my is 많이. So 많이 묻다. Ate. 묻다. Standard form of 묻다 is 먹었다. So it's past tense of 먹다, right? 먹었다 is standard Korean, and 묻다 is Busan dialect of 먹었다. 많이 묻다. I ate a lot. 많이 묻다. So, to make it a full sentence, and I ate already. 고마해라 means stop doing it. 고마해라. The standard form of 고마해라 is 그만해라. 그만, stop doing it. 그만해라. 많이 묻다 아이가. 많이 묻다 아이가. 고마해라. 많이 묻다 아이가. And fourth one.
밥은 먹고 다니냐?
밥은 먹고 다니냐? 밥은 먹고 다니냐? Meaning, do you eat well? Are you having your meal regularly? Meaning, do you eat well without skipping? So it's kind of being sarcastic. The words itself, it sounds like you are worrying about the other, so that you are so worried if the other person is eating well without skipping regular meal time. But this is being sarcastic because when someone says 밥은 먹고 다니냐, like in this kind of nuance, that person is meaning that person thinks you look so pathetic that he doesn't think you are having your meal at the right time. And fifth one. 어이가 없네. So you have to act this character like to be sounds more like him. So try it. 어이가 없네. 어이가 없네. This movie isn't that old. I think this movie was published like 2 or 3 years ago, so it's not that old. So it's still parodied a lot. So if you use 어이가 없네 in front of your Korean friends, like they're going to laugh a lot. 어이가 없네. So it means what a nonsense. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I am thinking of doing another video to cover some more popular movie lines. And hope you guys like that too. So thanks for watching. Subs for love. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.